To customize a page header, simply select it from the list, then click the Edit button. Through the various page editor functions, you can directly customize the original page header or save it as a file and load it later for the user pages. The User Pages section allows the user to create and edit pages to be used as document start and end pages. By simply clicking on Edit for an empty page, you can create a page from scratch or use a previously saved page through the Load File option. At this point, you can make all of the necessary changes. In fact, in the chosen field, you can enter a variable from those that the program makes available for all of the various fields, or simply enter text. To complete these changes, simply click on the OK button. In the same way, you can also modify or create in one of the available nodes various types of payment certificates. You can use the same process for project or construction cost management forms where, in addition to the templates already displayed, you can also add your own. By means of an internal word processor, you can edit the selected template, or using the copy and paste features, acquire the template from any other word processor application. At this stage, specific data will not be inserted in the template, but using program variables will allow us to compose various cost management or project documents, where previously inserted information will be viewed in their place. Confirming with the OK button, the template is saved and will now be available in the program's page headers and user pages archive. To use the generated letterheads and templates independently, you can also access the Print Manager, and from the tree node structured index here on the left, select the Add Print node for the request for bid document. In this case, we want to uncheck the original letterhead and access the Various and Signatures tab, where you can select the User Start page. Or use our previously defined page cover. This also applies to the various other forms as well. We simply select the Add Print option from the pop-up menu, which is activated with a right click on the corresponding node, and select the previously generated template. Here you can see that the variables were replaced automatically with the specific data acquired directly from the active document. To print a copy, simply click on the Print button.